hello, it's Amy. I hope you're all having a good day. Now that they have us back at work getting things ready for when you all to come back, I was thinking, what could we do that we could share on here? Well, let's start with talking about today. Today is June 26, and there are a couple of things that we can celebrate. First of all, today is Forgiveness Day. This day is so important that we celebrate a couple of days a year. Today, June 26, we celebrate here in the United States. International Forgiveness Day is celebrated on the first Sunday in August. It was created by the World Forgiveness Alliance to help bring on the healing power of forgiveness worldwide. Global Forgiveness Day is celebrated on August 27. It began in 1994 in Vancouver, British Columbia, and Canada. Either way, Forgiveness Day is a time to forgive and be forgiven. This would make the world a much better place. So forgive someone today. Now that we've forgiven the people around us, let's look at what else we could celebrate today. Oh, I know. Let me ask for a little help. Richard, are you here somewhere? I need help. Here you are. Oh my goodness, you have my fairy wand. You are so smart. I wonder if it has any magic left in it from fairy days. Do you know why I need a little help with my fairy wand? Well, today is Presto! Take your dog to work day. These are my puppies. This one is Buddy, and this one is Jackie. The whole idea of this day is to recognize the importance of dogs in our lives as both companions and as protectors. This day is always celebrated the Friday after Father's Day. This day also brings to attention all the dogs that are homeless and need adoption, like Buddy here. This owner was going away and couldn't take him with him, so Buddy was going to have no home to live in. I couldn't let that happen, so I adopted him. And now, he's part of my family. Speaking of family, I was telling you about us going back to work. And I was thinking about taking my camera, looking around, see if anyone else would like to say hi, and maybe take a look at some of the rooms, see what they look like. So I'm going to try and put this video out tomorrow on Saturday. So don't forget to look for it. Oh my gosh, it's time to go already. Oh well, don't forget to forgive someone or many people today. And if you have a dog or a puppy, to give your puppy a hug, for being there when you needed them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Amy's guys!
You need to hit that subscribe button right now.
So, until next time, you stay happy, you stay safe, and you stay strong. Missing you guys. I hope I could see you guys soon. Bye for now.